Right, so got this item, I've ordered it, been on order for quite a while, and ordered it on a Monday afternoon. It turned up on a Friday morning from Germany, so really chuffed, good seller, well packaged, really nice big box. Gonna do the opening ceremony on it. It's an item I've been after for quite a while. It is one of my favourite trains actually, and I did have one in the past and I sold it knowing that this one was coming out anyway, so the one that I sold was put towards this. I mean that is perfect packing, absolutely perfect for an item. It's quite an expensive item as well, so there we go, let's have a look. Let's get rid of the invoice, and under this lot we have the beautiful Tgv Duplex V150 from Marklin Trix. Comes in a nice box, absolutely mint condition as well, really nice. So I'll get that out in a minute. Before I do that, I'll just check the box, see if I've got any Haribos. Sometimes they put Haribos in. Right, there we go. I mean, that picture is just absolutely really nice. Just love that picture, it's great. The box has got like a matte effect. Let's get it out, let's have a look at this. Oh yeah, that's nice. We've got a certificate, because they only made, I think they made 1,000 of these in Trix and Marklin. I'm not sure if it's 1,000 for Trix and Marklin or it's 1,000 of each one. 1,000 for Trix and 1,000 for Marklin, don't know. This is 475 of 999, sorry, not 1,000. It tells the information there, that's good. That's an important bit of paperwork. So let's have a look. Yes, that all looks good. So we've got the two units connected, permanently connected together, and the power at both ends. Not sure if there's sound at both ends though. Not sure about that. There should be some more paperwork underneath the box. I'll carefully get this out. Yeah, there's some more stuff there. Guarantee stuff and English instructions and the rest of the other instructions in various other languages. But yeah, it's a pretty simple set, but very nice. Let's get one of these out. These are really well packed. I'm not sure exactly how. Oh, there we go. Look at that. That is just superb packing, because you've got the cellophane, you've got the lint material to stop any scratches, and then you've got this piece that goes underneath that holds everything perfect while it's in transit. And that's just brilliant. There we go, Trix. This has got digital slide couplings. It's got interior lighting. Yeah, looks good. Just notice I've got a finger mark on that window. Not sure where I've put that on. Bit of a finger mark or something there, smudge, no big deal. But yeah, the paintwork, that's really nice, that line, how it fades out perfectly. It's got interior lighting. Close coupling system. That's mainly plastic, the weight on the inside. But yeah, in fact I'm just going to get my gloves on so I don't cause any more marks on it. If it is me, that's what I don't like getting fingerprints on, especially if it being a highly collectible model. So this one, not sure I'm going to get this one out, to tell you the truth. Bit of a strange one. You just pull up on that, yep. Pull up on that. There we go. And that's got all the wires permanently coupled like the other TGVs have got. As you can see, paintwork or printwork on it. Very crisp. Yeah, that's nice, that. Perfect. Like I say, I've had the GF Hornby version of this, but I was never happy with it. Even though I did a few modifications to it. The gearing on the Hornby GF one could fail quite easily, but on this one it all looks very nice. So I'll just put that over there. And that's the same basically. I think this end's got the pantograph. Yeah, this one's, just carefully lift this out. This one's got the pantograph. You've got to be careful with this one. That's the one with the pantograph detail, that's nice. Really nice detail there. That all looks good. Yeah. Very nice detail. So I'll put that there. I'm not sure whether or not, because normally on the other Trix locos you used to get a tool for lining up the couplings, but can't see any on this. Yeah, I thought this was going to be really difficult to couple up, but all you do basically is roughly line up the bar. There's a guide slot, and then what happens is it auto lines itself up. When you got it roughly, you just push, and it clicks together. Really easy.
Es-tu prêt? Oui, nous sommes prêts. La boîte du haut, es-tu prêt? Nous sommes prêts. Le départ dans 1 minute. Est-ce que 5, 515, 515 est correct? À l'attention de tous, après contrôle et validation, la valeur officielle de la vitesse atteinte dans notre marche est de 574,8 km/h. Je répète, 574,8 km/h. Formidable! Nous sommes à 1000 mètres et annonce baisser pantoufle pour le labo. La zone est franchie, montez le pantographe.